So you're trying to mirror the CBT text entry model with eDoctrina, but the problem is the eDoctrina text entry looks like this, and the New York State entry looks like this. So how can we fix this? Well, good news, you're in the right place. Let's take a look at how. Well, hello friends, Rick Bray with the Plick team at Broomtioga BOCES, and inside of an eDoctrina assessment here, looking at how to get that mirrored state assessment text entry tool. So, because the issue is, right, when you're dealing with a teacher scored question, which is typically what you're doing for essay style questions, when you look at that version online, it looks like this with all the extra stuff here, because this is what eDoctrina calls the rich text editor. And really, you just want these undo and redo buttons. So let me show you how we can get there. First thing, if you're not familiar, over on the left-hand side, we want to add a question, and we want to make sure that it is a teacher scored question, because that's what we need for the state assessment tools to show up. And I'm going to add that. Here's the important part. See all these little buttons that are up here on this question, but the question I just added, they're not visible yet? If that happens, you just need to click into the question space to get the text tool, and then it'll appear. You might be able to refresh the page as well, but what we're looking for is this Online Tools button. I'm going to click on Online Tools, and in this space, here is that answer tool, which like we said was set to Rich Text Editor. I want to change that to Simple Text Editor. Right? And then I'm going to say save. And now if I save up here, when I preview online, you'll see that the first question is still set up using that rich text editor, but the second question is set up with just that undo and redo button in the same color palette as the computer-based tests in New York. So there you go. Once again, it's creating a new teacher scored question, clicking Online Tools, and setting the answer tool to the Simple Text Editor. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to give it a thumbs up, and you're more than welcome to subscribe to this channel to get updates and notifications when new content like this video is posted. And as always, thank you for watching.